Ascend Composite Siding, the future of home exteriors. Did you know there's a new kind of siding that looks like handcrafted wood but performs better than vinyl, fiber cement, or even engineered wood? It's called Ascend Board and Batten Composite Cladding, and it's changing how homes are protected and designed. This isn't standard vinyl siding. Ascend is built with GP squared technology, glass reinforced polymer, and graphite infused polystyrene. That means every panel is thicker, stronger, and better insulated, combining beauty with performance unmatched durability. Resists wind, rain, hail, and temperature changes without warping or cracking. Lightweight and strong, easier to handle than fiber cement but much more rigid than vinyl, energy efficient. Built-in insulation delivers an R value of R1.6, helping reduce energy bills year-round. Class A fire rating, tested for superior fire resistance, low maintenance, never needs painting, caulking, or sealing, just wash and enjoy. Timeless style, a 12-inch wide panel with a 2-inch integrated batten creates deep shadows and authentic wood grain texture for a truly architectural look. Ascend siding comes in multiple designer colors like almond, Cape Cod gray, glacier white, and musket brown, allowing you to match any home style from traditional to modern farmhouse. At MI Homesiding LLC, we recommend Ascend because it delivers the look of real wood, the strength of composite engineering, and the ease of vinyl installation, all in one system. When properly installed by our licensed and insured team, it provides decades of protection and beauty, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. If you want siding that looks stunning, performs flawlessly, and lasts for generations, choose Ascend Composite Siding, professionally installed by MI Homesiding LLC. Roofing call 865-243-1243 or visit mihomesidingllc.com. MI Homesiding LLC, Knoxville's trusted exterior experts. Transform your home with technology built to last.